Hello everyone, this is Shovan Kumar Pakalpati, psychologist and CBT practitioner. Today I want to discuss about a burning issue that was today's a very burning issue, the emotional burnout syndrome among teachers. Because teacher job is really a very rewarding job and also same time a demanding job, because teachers works hard work and also long timings, morning to evening. Teaching is not an easy thing, and it may be an interesting job but at the same time very demanding, because there are n number of peoples and students are present in a classroom and they will interact with them. Every student is a different, every student behaves in a different way. One will get easily the 100 marks, one will not get, or else struggle for the 35 marks at least. So that these teachers will have to see all of this, and also they can conduct exams and all. They can exhaust with stress. A burnout means easily a chronic stress leads to physical and psychological exertion. Many teachers will found very much in their life frequently. So that what we have to do, and there are some symptoms related to this, so that we have to find out those symptoms, if we have those symptoms or not. If we have those symptoms, we have to understand our position and have to practice to come out from that situation. And now we will see those symptoms: fatigue, weight loss, and food changes, and sleep disturbances. These are the very common symptoms in this syndrome. If we find any of these things, and we should have to think about our psychological and physical well-being. And what we have to do, if we find this, we should have to practice some other techniques to cope up with this stress. Mainly take a break and enjoy something else for some days and then come back to the work. Then you will work very well. And also take a time out, spend with the family and your friends, and then you can find out. And with these simple techniques, you will feel a big difference on your life. And or else consult a good counselor to take a counseling and to understand your physical and psychological problems. Thank you very much. All the best from Pinnacle Blooms Network.
Autism spectrum disorder, psychological problems are troubling approximately 80 crore people across the world. Could endanger your children's future too. Pinnacle Blooms Network is probably the only chain of child development rehabilitation therapy centers offering smart goals-based speech therapy, occupational therapy, behavioral therapy, psychological counseling for kids to be part of mainstream society and bring smiles into their families. Pinnacle's Miracle is 360-degree patented digital platform to bring technology for empowering kids with special needs. Pinnacle Blooms Network is special edu healthcare unit of Bharat Healthcare Private Limited, Government of India's prestigious Startup India awarded futuristic health tech organization. Largest team of proven therapists ready to work with your kid. Contact us today 9100 181 181 for free assessment.